Hey guys, welcome back to this week's shelf review. As you can see, it's in another location. And you know what? Going through Corona is all about adapting. Our shelf did not work, so we had like a little bed in the corner somewhere that nobody uses. So I'm just telling you what we did. We took two really ugly shelves, put two sheets over it so it looks nice and cute, and we're going to make it work because you know what? Nobody was prepared for this. Anyway, enough about our changes. Let's actually get into this week's lesson plan. Again, these were all chosen by the kids, and I'm just here to facilitate. The first game over here is Circuit Maze, and this is just it's a visual introduction to circuitry. It is a lot of fun. Highly recommend it. It's from Think Fun, and it just basically have to go from A to B, critical thinking, and like I said, you can visually see the circuits. Like you tell a kid light bulbs on and off. Nah, let's see it visually. Love that idea. Dragon's Breath, we use it more of a probability game. We change the rules up a bit, like we do with all the games, and we use it for math probability. Game plan is more for just like to keep the kids normal thinking of what life will be like when we're out in public for real. So I think this is just a game to help the kids just kind of stay grounded and just understand what real life should look like. Bubble game, Bubble Fever, it's a really fun game. You just have to keep flipping over the cards until it's also a probability game to get the most points. Chess Teacher, because I'm terrible at chess, more for me than the kids. I will admit that. Next, we have Ninja Squirrels. If you've been following me on Instagram, I've used it many different ways for just kind of brain development and stuff like that. Over here, we're starting a new unit on area and perimeter, so I have two new activities for the kids, and we'll see how those go. Fairy Tale, we did start that a drop, so that was a lot of fun. In this blue box, we're really just for review at this point. We did a really good job with that. And again, if you're following me on Instagram, I have tons of videos on that, so that's a lot of fun. Dictionary, something we do every week. We are continuing with multiplication and division, and huge thumbs up for the win here because this has been going so well. So I am really excited. Two things. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. And speaking of Instagram, I do post more in-depth details of what we do on Instagram. So, number one, if you would like to know more about the work that we do, feel free to follow us on Instagram. And you can message us and all those other fun things. And number two, concerning YouTube, in addition to my weekly videos on our Shelfies, I do post a ton of product reviews, questions, answers, parenting tips, educational tips. So don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button if you guys want to, connect further. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.